New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. This video is sponsored by Banggood.com. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative West Tech YouTube channel, and this is Vivek backed up with another video in which I will show you the unboxing of Sonoff 4 Channel Pro Wi-Fi Smart Switch. Yeah, you heard it correctly, Sonoff 4 Channel Pro Wi-Fi Smart Switch. So if you don't know what is this device, let me tell you. With the help of this device, this smart home device, you can actually automate your home appliances, light, fan, etc. and you can control them by the help of wireless remote, either by mobile or smart home app, and basically with your Alexa and Google Home AI based speakers. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So we have got this device or review unit sent by Banggood.com, for which we will do a quick unboxing, and thanks to Banggood.com for sending this device. As usual, the link to buy this device will be in the video descriptions, which will take you to Banggood.com, and you will get a promotional price to buy this device there. This device is available in India, but the cost is high as compared to Banggood.com. So I will recommend you to buy it from Banggood.com, as the price is very less there and it takes 20 days to arrive in India, which I guess is fine. Now we will quickly unbox the device, and you will get actually this type of box for the device. So now we will unbox the device, and I have already opened the packet because I had to check for the custom clearance. So we'll take out the device from it and we'll see what's inside. I'll keep this aside. The packaging seems to be fine, not that okay, but it's fine. We'll open this device and we'll see here what is there. So on the front side, you can see there is the Sonoff branding and some features mentioned like inching, interlock, self-locking modes, and like I said earlier, it will support Google and Alexa, Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, both the smart home speakers. On the bottom side, it says it has the smart home app support called EW Link, both for Android and iOS. Next, it has the remote control support on for 433 MHz wireless band, but that remote is not included in this box, and if you want to use, you can purchase it separately. Next, we have the 3 different modes here: self-locking mode, interlock mode, inching mode, which I will explain you in the later part of the video. Moving on the top side of the box, it has some technical specifications mentioned over there. In the wireless, it can support 2.4 GHz wireless band, and it can also support 433 MHz radio frequency to operate the remote. In the input, it can actually support both AC and DC. AC it is 90 volt to 250 volt, and for DC it is 5 volt to 24 volt, which is actually mentioned here. It's actually hidden by this sticker, but that's the thing here. The max load it can handle for AC is 250 volt, and for the DC is 30 volts. It can also support current up to 10 amps, so you can use your electronic equipments or appliances that can support max current up to 10 amps. Remember my friend, you cannot use your AC with this. Since it has the max current to support 10 amperes, you cannot use the air conditioner, because the air conditioner requires 16 amps. But if you want to use it for the AC, you can buy Sonoff TH16 or Sonoff Power Switch, for which I have already made a video. Moving on, opening the box, you will actually first get the user manual and the device itself. So this is the device itself and the user manual. The user manual is available in both English and Chinese. So if you want, you can read this and you can quickly check that. Now we will see the physical overview of the device. Let's keep this aside. We have the 4 individual buttons for the 4 channels on the left side, and on the right we have the 4 LEDs with the Wi-Fi LED on the right side, you can see here. In the bottom we have all the input and the output ports for AC and DC. On the back side we have the DIN rail mount for the enclosure. You can put this in your MCB enclosure, and this is very helpful when you have your own house and you actually want to install this. Now I will open this box and I will actually show you the internal component of this device. To open this box, there are actually 4 screws on the back side. I will quickly remove them using this screwdriver, and I will show you what are the internal components of this device. Now that I have removed the screws, let's open it and let's see what's inside. So as you can see here, there are 4 relays for the 4 channels, and as you can see, the PCB constructions look very good. On the back side we have also kept the cutouts. So basically you can see they have also kept the cutouts for the relays and for in between the relays. On the bottom side, actually here you can see the table for K6 timing sequence to set the delays, and on the front side there are actually 3 switches, 1, 2 and 3, basically for setting up the delays and for the different modes and functions. These buttons will be used actually. So I will explain you the use of these switches and I will explain you about the modes with the help of one actually animations that will be actually very helpful to you. So first mode is the self-locking mode. In this mode you can turn on or off 4 connected devices instantly or separately. To set this mode, toggle all K5 switches to 1 and second K6 switches to 1, like you can see on the screen animation. Second mode is the interlocking mode. In this mode you can turn on the device every time and turn off the other device at the same time. Means you can enable one device at a time, and by default this device comes with an interlocking mode, means all toggle switches are set to 0. Third mode is the inching mode, and in the inching mode you can turn the connected device for 0.25 to 4 seconds in Sonoff 4 Channel Pro and or 1 to 16 seconds in Sonoff 4 Channel Pro R2. This is Pro R2. Then after the specific delay, it will actually auto turn off the channel. To set this mode, toggle all K5 to 0 and S6 to 1. Toggle K6 accordingly to this table. In this animation, the delay is set to 1 second. You can also set the same device in inching mode, while other in the self-locking mode. Now let's connect this device using the mobile or smartphone. Now let's connect this device using your mobile or smartphone. I am using a tablet here. And first make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi and download and open the EWE client. So we'll go to the Google Play Store and we'll download the app. So on the first you will find the EWE link app, and then you download it, EV link. Make sure you are connected to your house Wi-Fi and install this app. You can open the app and then you can register this account. So once you will open the app, you will find 2 options here. One to register and another to log in. If you have your own ID, you can log in. Otherwise, you can register in the app. Just agree and continue, and then you can select your region. My region is India. Now once you have logged in, I have already configured all my devices here. So there are a couple of. So once you have given power to the device, the LED will start blink here. And when you, on the app, you have to actually go to add device. You have to select the quick pairing mode. And what you will see is you have to give your password here. Before that, what you have to do is you have to press any of the buttons here on the channel for 7 to 10 seconds, and the LED will start blinking rapidly. So it will actually blink like this. Once you have given the password, actually it will come into the network. So we'll give the password. So once you have given the password, it will try to connect with the device. It should take ideally 2 to 3 minutes to connect to the device and register it into the network. So it has got registered into the network and you can see the device is there. So now you can rename the device and you can actually set it to your choice. I'll keep it as home and I'll complete it. So you can find the device here and then you can turn off and turn on. We'll connect some devices to it and we'll check it out now. So here you can see the 4 channels actually connected and individual button for controlling each the devices. I have connected to the first channel here, a bulb, and when I will click on this, the bulb will glow. When I will click it off, the bulb will switch off. When I will click it on, the bulb will glow, and I will click it off, it will switch off. So it is actually now controlled by the app itself. So we will try to control it with Alexa and we will see how it works in the later part of the video. So you can also share the devices between the users and you can also schedule the switch to on off functions. So basically you can go to here and then you can schedule the timer here. Similarly you can give the countdown timer here. Schedule is important when you have to switch off and switch on the light at a specific intervals during the day and night. If you go to the settings, you can actually rename the individual channels. So I will show it to you how you can do that. So this is the switch. When you go to the settings, you can rename the individual channel. I have renamed this as bulb because the bulb is connected to channel 1. And you can find the update firmware version also. That's also very important. So you can see the update firmware version will be here in settings. This is the latest version which is running over here. We can update this. You can also set the power on state for each device, like on, off and keep. For example, I have connected the light on channel 1 and right now it is turned on. If it suddenly power goes off and comes back again, then as per my setting the light will turn off. For that way it should be in off. So in this video you saw the unboxing and features of Sonoff 4-channel Pro R2, that is this switch, and now let's test how this works with Alexa. So now that it's working with mobile app and it's actually functioning, so you can try it with the switch with mobile app, and then now we'll try with Alexa. So unmute it. Alexa, turn on MCB bulb. Alexa, turn off MCB bulb. So you can see it works with Alexa and there is no issues on this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for Banggood for sponsoring this video. That's all for this video, my friends. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe, like, share our videos. Thanks.